How to transfer crypto from Bitget wallet to Binance Access. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to transfer crypto from Bitget wallet to Binance Access. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Bitget wallet app on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap more icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap on Send if you have crypto available. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to send, for example, Ethereum. When you open it, you will land in this kind of interface where you have to add the receiving address. In order to get deposit address from Binance, you have to first launch your Binance application and then you have to go to Add Funds. You have to select the deposit crypto and search for Ethereum and select the ERC20 network. Copy the displayed deposit address or scan the QR code. Now you have to return to the Bitget wallet app and you have to paste the copied Binance address into the address field. After that, you have to enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to transfer. Then you have to tap the confirm button at bottom of the screen. You have to review the details and submit the transaction. Once processed, your Ethereum will appear in your Binance account. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment with any questions and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.